In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a footer in Google Sites. Well, first of all, what is a footer? A footer is something that's repeating over and over again. So, for example, in your English class, if you're writing an essay, you might write your name, the date, and the class period on your paper. And maybe you will put your last name in the page number, and you want that to repeat on every page. So you would put that in a header, something that's repeating on every page. Well, in Google Sites, the footer is also something that's repeating on every page. Headers are at the top, footers are at the bottom. So let me go to a page, and I'm going to show you what that is. I'm going to go to demo page 3. And when I bring my mouse to the bottom, this add footer is going to pop up. And notice how the page just changed. The rest of the page turned gray, and the bottom of the page is illuminated now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Insert, and I'm going to put something in my footer so that it will repeat. So let's go to Drive, and let's see what's in my recent. I don't know. Let's see what's there. All right, we're going to put a picture of me in my footer. Nice and big. This is in my footer, okay? And I'm editing, I'm working, and I'm going to insert something else. Let's see, what else do we got? Maybe I'll throw some notes in here. Okay, so I have 2 items in my footer. Well, if I come out, see how the footer is gray and the rest of the page is white? That's the difference between your regular page and your footer. Now, let me show you. If I click on my home page, those items are repeating in my footer. And actually, let me preview the page and you can see the whole thing. We're in my preview. So on my home page, if I scroll down, those 2 items are on my page, but I put them on my 3rd page. Let me go to demo page 1. Here's the items I inserted from a previous video, and at the bottom, there are those 2 items. They are repeating. Next page, there's the YouTube video I put in a previous how-to video, and here are these 2 items. They're repeating. Well, if you don't want these items to repeat, you have to take them out of your footer. So let me come out of my preview, and I'm going to go back into Edit Footer, and let's put something that I do want to repeat. So I'm going to write Ms. DeLarge is awesome. Okay, and I'm going to make that title. I'm going to make that big, but I don't want this anymore. But I do want Ms. DeLarge to repeat, okay? So now I'm going to preview my page again. On my home page, the picture and the slideshow that I put are gone, but now Ms. DeLarge is awesome is at the bottom in my footer. Here are some items I put in from a different video, and at the bottom, Ms. DeLarge is awesome. That is something that is repeating. There it is again. There it is again. So if it is something that you want to repeat on every page, you would put it in a footer. If it's something that you don't want to repeat, you want to put it on the main page. And to get to that, at the bottom here, right now it's in a footer, so I'm going to click Edit Footer and I'm going to take it out. If I want to add something into my footer, you click Add Footer. Just put a bunch of random letters. And we can tell if we are using a footer because the remainder of the page has grayed out, it's changed colors. So there's the item, my footer is grayed out. So now I know this is something that's going to repeat on each page. And that is how you edit and add to a footer on your Google Sites.